Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson HD01 not turning on is a common issue that can be quite frustrating. This problem often arises due to a faulty thermal fuse or other internal components failing. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage or even total failure of the device, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement thermal fuse, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged to prevent any electrical shock. To open the device, locate the screws on the back of the unit and carefully remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing, taking care not to use excessive force, as you don't want to damage the plastic clips. Now, with the casing removed, locate the thermal fuse. This component is usually situated near the motor and will look like a small cylindrical object. You can identify it by its two terminals. To extract the faulty fuse, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Use your tweezers if the space is tight, ensuring you don't accidentally pull on any other cables. Once the wires are free, remove the thermal fuse by unscrewing it from its mounting. When replacing it, ensure the new fuse is identical to the old one. Screw it back into place and reconnect the wires, ensuring a secure connection. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the thermal fuse, it's time to reassemble your Dyson HD01. Carefully align the casing back onto the unit and press it together, ensuring all clips fit snugly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the casing without stripping the screws. Finally, plug your Dyson back in and test to see if it turns on. If everything is in order, you should see your device spring back to life. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, regularly clean your Dyson's filters and ensure it's not overheating by avoiding prolonged usage without breaks. Additionally, storing it in a cool, dry place can help maintain its internal components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.